Hey guys, JD here, and today we will be installing the genuine Kawasaki adjustable seat latches for the Kawasaki Ultra 310 series jet skis. Now the LXS, which is this trim, and the X do not come with these, but the LX trim does. And basically, these are just the brackets that allow you to adjust your seat in 3 different positions. So I'll give you a look at the... So the first step is just to get the seats off. This will only take a couple minutes to do. It's really easy, and this will give me the ability now to adjust my seat to 3 different positions. The next step is to remove the brackets that come stock. They're 10 millimeters. And we're going to do that same thing with the second one. So once you bolt those in place, they'll look like that. The kit did come with some new hardware, but you will have to reuse the hardware as well that came with the OEM brackets. Now I tighten these with the little impact driver, and then I torque them by hand just because this is plastic. You don't want to over tighten it. All right, so we're done with this. We're going to get the main seat off, and we're going to go ahead and bolt the same brackets on, and then we will be done. Let's give those, tighten those up just a bit, and we are good to go. I saw that there was a bunch of salt deposits on the bottom of the seat here, so I figured take a moment to spray it down with some 303, clean it up just a little bit. All right, well that looks much better. All right, so there's our adjustable brackets installed, and now we have a single bracket that goes on the main seat. So the bolts that come in this kit are already coated with Loctite. So you can see this is one of the original bolts, and it's got a little bit of corrosion on it. So I'll put a little bit of corrosion block on it. But anyway, we're going to tighten these 4 10mm bolts. And we are good to go. Our seat is now fully adjustable. So now that we've got everything installed, I just wanted to give you a quick look at how you adjust the seat. So basically it's in the original forwardmost position right now. I took it out yesterday after installing this, and the middle position is just, it makes such an improvement. Gives me some more arm distance to the handlebars. It's perfect. So I'm gonna bump this back to the middle position, lock in the seat. Then we're gonna take our rear seat, put it in, and you're good to go. So right now the seat is in the normal, fully frontward position. So now, if I was to move it to the middle position, so that's gonna be about, yep, that's about 1.4 inches out. And then let's see the farthest most position. All right, so you can see there is a bit of a gap there when you put it all the way back, but it is nice to have that ability. And that is 2.6 inches. So I'm not sure what they say. I got to double check the literature to see what they say about the adjustable seat. But basically, the seat does move back almost, the seat does move back almost 3 inches from its original position. So I'll show you. Up, and then you pull up this tab here. You can slide it in the middle position or the back position. So I like that a lot. It's actually one of my favorite it's not even aftermarket, they're genuine Kawasaki brackets. There you go. So this kit I got from KSpeed. They sell you the brackets with some additional hardware that you'll need. You don't have to buy an entire new seat for your ski. It's literally just 3 brackets and that gives you the ability to adjust your seats. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more Kawasaki content.